So somebody asking how soon can they buy a home if they work to remove their student loans and they have a Chapter 7 discharge. So just wait 2 years after your discharge from Chapter 7. That Chapter 7, you should be able to buy a home. So just wait 2 years. Don't worry too much about, oh, you need your student loans removed. You know, you don't necessarily need your student loans removed to buy a home, depending on how they're reporting. But just understand, too, when you're looking to buy a home, you have to wait 2 years for Chapter 7 and 1 year for Chapter 13. And if you're in Chapter 13 actively, then you're going to need to get permission for you to actually buy a home. But a lot of people, they wait. So sometimes I'll see people, you know, it's like it's 5 years later after their bankruptcy, and they're like, I want to buy a home, but I had a bankruptcy, so I don't think I can buy a home. And I look, and it's like, dude, this bankruptcy is 5 years old. You're able to buy a home after 1 year, Chapter 13, and after 2 years of Chapter 7. So, yeah, and two, when it comes down to like your student loans and that bankruptcy, definitely you will want to get the bankruptcy removed, but sometimes you don't want to get your student loans removed. Some people remove accounts that they really don't need to remove. If your student loans, if they're reporting on everything is saying old time, you know, you don't have any late payments on it, you most likely want to keep that on your credit report. Sometimes people want to get it removed because of their debt to income ratio, but still, you see if you can keep that account on your credit reports, like seriously, and that's going to help you out a lot if you can keep that account on your credit reports. Because if you work on removing those student loans from your credit reports, if they already start getting removed and they don't have any negative, if they're not negative, then you're going to see your credit score go down. But if they were negative, you'll see your credit score go up. So just keep that.